Hey babes, welcome to my channel. So right now I'm just doing my mom's toes. We're about to turn her into a full-blown baddie. I'm going to show you guys how to get the perfect square white acrylic toes for the summer. I'm going to leave all of the products that I used in the description box. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. So off camera, I already pushed back the cuticles and removed the shine off the nails. So these right here are some nail forms that I had got from a nail supply store here in Atlanta, but I will link below some nail forms that you can order online on Amazon for the low. I had to use the nail form on her big toe because as you can see it is severely damaged and sis needed help. I wanted to give it some length so it could be nice and square. And y'all, please forgive me for how the camera is sitting. This is my first video that I've ever recorded, my first tutorial, okay? I didn't know what I was doing at all, but I had already went through the whole thing and I did not want to start over. So please forgive me. In the future, the videos will be way better. I'm learning so much every day. I'm so excited to share with you guys my world. I already started recording some vlogs, so make sure y'all subscribe so y'all can see those and check them out. After I finish this toe, I'm going to go straight to the pinky toe because that toe is also a little small and damaged, but her other middle toes don't need the acrylic and she doesn't want the extra acrylic, so I'm just going to do some white gel polish on those. But when and if I do use acrylic on my own toes, I only put the acrylic on the big toes because my other toes don't need the acrylic. I don't want the extra damage. So you can definitely get away with just putting acrylic on one or two toes and still get that salon quality square look. So after the acrylic dries, I'm going to start shaping. This is my favorite part because you can get the shape exactly how you want. And I'm so funny about my shape. I like my nails to be crisp. When I'm getting my toes done at the salon, I be sitting up, leaning forward, looking at them the whole time while they shaping my toes. I do not play that. I want them crisp. But y'all, when using the file, you gotta be careful and take your time. Don't go too heavy-handed or too fast because it's easy to file down too much. And once you do that, you can't go back and that can really ruin the whole shape. I need to know if you want me for sure. I just can't keep on going, I just can't keep on going. I'm falling in love with you. I just can't keep on going, I just can't keep on going. I'm falling in love with you. I just can't keep on going, I just can't keep on going. I'm falling in love with you. I just can't
I need to know if you want me for sure. I just can't keep on going, going, going. I just can't keep on going. I'm falling in love with you. I just can't keep on going, going, going. I just can't keep on going. I'm falling in love with you. I just can't keep on going, going, going. I just can't keep on going. I'm falling in love with you. I just can't keep on going, going, going. I just can't keep on going. I'm falling in love with you. I'm falling in love with you. I'm falling in love with you.
And that is it, y'all. Thank you so much. If you made it this far, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know some more tutorials that you guys are interested in. I hope this was helpful. Catch y'all in the next one.